Hi, it's Emily from WTI, and this is the ANNTU Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard. I love the spacious carry bag that comes with this stand-up paddleboard kit. It has very comfortable backpack straps. This is a complete kit, so everything you need to get started. It's very easy to inflate. It's got a beautiful design. I love the convenient straps for holding gear that you want to take with you and the camera mount. It had a very high quality, nice non-slip surface to stand on and an easy to grip handle to take with you. I liked the high quality quick release valve. It was easy to disconnect the pump without losing air and a super easy to attach fin. We were on the water in no time. I found the wide design to make it really easy to get my balance, my sea legs underneath me, and get myself to standing up very quickly and learn my balance on it. And I'm up and on my feet. From here, I was golden. I really appreciated having the adjustable link